welcome to circuit number 16, my final circuit in these SparkFun Inventors Kit Guide examples. Okay, so this one's going to be pretty fun. We're going to create the game called Simon, or Simon Says. So basically this game will show you a color pattern using these LEDs, say like yellow, green, yellow, and then you will have to use the buttons to repeat the pattern. So you'd have to push yellow, green, yellow. And basically it gets harder and harder, showing you more and more colors in a row until you mess up and you lose. And then when you lose, you get this nice little buzzer sound. Okay, so we're gonna need some resistors here, 330 ohm resistors running there, and we have got a whole bunch of wires here, 16 wires. So it shouldn't be that hard to hook up. I'm gonna do that now and let's see how it looks. Alright, here we have the complete circuit built. There's a bunch of wires getting in the way of some of the buttons here, but that's just something you have to deal with, I guess. Wasn't too hard to set up, just make sure you got all the colored buttons in the same order so you know which one's controlling which. But other than that, put it in real easy. So we're going to hook her up and let's load up this game. Alright, welcome to the very last IDE sequence we're doing here. We've got example circuit number 16 loaded up. I'm not going to go through and explain too much. I think after all these circuits that we've done together, you can go through and do it yourself, follow along the logic. If you've made it up to this point and done all this with me, it really shouldn't be too hard. You just gotta follow through and make sure you're paying attention. So the first thing the program does, though, I'll do a little explaining here, is it makes all these defines because there's a whole bunch of notes that the little buzzer has to play. It plays a bunch when each light lights up or when you lose at the beginning of the game and so on, like stuff like that. And then there's some defines also for the buttons and LEDs and all that jazz. So you need to hook up the pins or specify which pins you're using as usual, and then check what mode it's running in, and then loop through and basically play the game, yada yada. You know how to play the game. You push a button to start. It'll display the pattern. You copy the pattern until you can't do it anymore. If you take too long, you lose, or if you press the wrong button, you lose. There is a little Easter egg I noticed in this program. Here you go. Play some bad Bee Gees music. That's pretty funny. So if you hold basically the power button, or not the power button, if you hold one of the buttons while it powers up, it'll play that Bee Gees music. I don't know if I'll show it to you or not. I'll leave that as an Easter egg for you to find out, okay? So I'll just play the game. So we're gonna upload this and let's go take a look and have some fun. Okay, I am uploading the game right now. Let's see how it runs. Ready to go. Okay, so we're flashing. Let's start the game. Blue, yep. Blue, green. Bent my transistor there. Let's try and mess up and see what happens. Oh no, I lost. Alright, so let's start again. Pretty fun game, right? Look at all the stuff you can do with your kit. Now, this is the last of the examples that I'm showing. But I am running other circuits. I have made a robotic elbow joint that you can check out, and soon I'll be making a project for I took too long. I'll be making a project for my embedded robotic programming course. So take a look for future videos on that and enjoy your SparkFun Inventors Kit. There's a whole bunch of potential and lots of fun things you can do. See you next time. Bye.